Okay, now in our last video we talked about creating an MP3 of the content, and we're going to use the program that's free online called Audacity. And we're going to go to that website and we're going to download that program right now. Okay, all you're going to do is go to the search engines. You're going to type in Audacity, and then you're going to see the link right there, audacity.surgeforge.net. You're going to click in that link, and it's going to take you to the Audacity download page, and you're just going to download Audacity onto your PC and install it. Now, if you want to go ahead and follow along, go ahead and download Audacity to your hard drive, get it ready, and then you can open it and follow along. Okay, so hopefully you have already downloaded Audacity. What we're going to do now is I'm going to open up Audacity, and there it is right there on my screen. I'm just going to open it up there. And once we open up Audacity, you're going to be able to see it. And the interface is pretty simple. You'll see that you've got a mic there. You've got a big red button to record, and that's all you're going to need. And you're going to first just going to click the red button when you're ready to read. Now, I'm actually going to be doing a little demonstration. It's going to be recording literally what I'm saying right now. So if I click this red button, you'll see that the sound is going into Audacity. You'll see the sound being made, and you would be literally reading your content as you go. So that is how you create audio with Audacity, and that will then allow you to repurpose your PLR content into something that you could actually sell. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to click the stop button. Then you're going to go to File, and then you're going to go to Export. And all you're going to do is you're going to name your MP3 file, and you're done. So basically, we've done everything that we can now in order to take our PLR and turn it into audio. Okay, and so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.